see, here we are, getting married again. And I'll never get tired marrying my dream girl over and over again.
So many little moments brought us to where we are today. I think I'm supposed to be anxious and nervous, but for some reason I'm not. Maybe because I know that at the end of the day, I'll be with my annoying best friend and...
But behind every promise is a human effort of resiliency. So in spite the change in time and circumstance, I will ever be resilient for the both of us. I love you with all my heart, Mr. De Guzman.
Never look back again.
You're so sweet. You're so pretty.
Thank you for making my world meaningful and colorful again. Thank you for giving me your unconditional love, and thank you for bringing back joy into my life.
Today is a very special day for both of us. I think I am more excited than you. And I'm not ashamed to say it.
All we need is love. I am certain of that, and it's all because every time I look back.
We have the beautiful celebration also, the wedding back in the church. And the first thing that I asked them is, are you ready? And I'm so glad nobody backed
All
out.
that changes today.
You're so beautiful. Amazing.
All we need is, 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 all we need is love. All we need is love. I am certain of that, and it's all because.
Babe, I want to be the reason of the smile. I want to be the one who brings you joy as the joy that you give to me. The calmness you give me before we go to bed and the excitement you give my heart when we wake up. I will never get used to that feeling. You are my pride and joy, and baby, I will never get tired of reminding you this. Promise to share your ups and downs, be together through happiness and sorrow, share all the successes and failures. I will always be your number one fan. I will be your rock during hard times, and I will love you, take care of you, adore you, and treasure you every day of my life.
Mr. and Mrs. Khrysia and Weddinf.